Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem America by Claude McKay. So these are the important points. This poem is a sonnet published in 1921. The poem expresses the emotional conflict of the speaker who has been witnessing the racial discrimination in America. The speaker feels disappointed because black people receive hatred from the white people just because they are black. The speaker asserts that he still loves America despite of all the hatred and oppression faced by him. So this is the text of the poem. Although she feeds me bread of bitterness and sinks into my throat her tiger's tooth, stealing my breath of life, I will confess I love this cultured hell that tests my youth. Her vigor flows like tides into my blood, giving me strength erect against her hate. Her bigness sweeps my being like a flood. So, when the poem opens, the speaker calls America to be an oppressive country that harbors bitterness and hatred for black people. The speaker compares America with a tiger attacking the speaker's throat. The speaker basically criticizes the horrors and the violence prevalent in America. The speaker says that this country is torturing him physically and emotionally and is robbing him of all of his energy and strength. The speaker reflects the pain and trauma of all the black people facing hatred and violence in America. All of these black people are struggling to call America to be their home. Next, the speaker says that he still loves this hellish country that is testing his energy and vigor. Next speaker says that he admits that America is a powerful country that feels strength in his body and motivates him to stand against the hatred and oppression that he has been facing in America. He calls America to be a big country that feels immense energy in him. Yet, as a rebel fronts or a king in state, I stand within her walls with not a shred of terror, malice, not a word of jeer. Darkly I gaze into the days ahead and see her might and granite wonders there, beneath the touch of time's unerring hand, like priceless treasures sinking in the sun. So, here we get to know that the speaker has mixed feelings about America. He expresses both of his love and hate for the country. And next he says that actually he compares himself with a rebellious warrior standing before the king. He means to say that he has been enduring everything calmly, and he can see that this country is going to face its doom soon. Next, speaker says that he is standing at the borders of the country without feeling any fear, hatred, and mockery for it. Next, he knows the bitter truth that this country has a difficult future, is going to meet its downfall soon. So, next speaker says that although he has mixed feelings about America, but he still admires America for its power and prosperity. And he says that soon this prosperous and beautiful country is going to get ruined the way priceless treasure sinks in the sand. The speaker doesn't express his rebellious attitude towards the country, but he predicts its downfall towards the end of the poem. And here the poem ends.